Yes, but have you done any, uh, let's say reviews?
Um, since my midterm school, my my school is so soon. eh,
Mm-hmm.
mm, Sooner com very so soon compare with other school.
Okay, I see.
Uh, mm, and and uh, mm, my school gives students quite a lot days off. So
Okay.
mm,
Yes. So you have a lot of time.
yes, but the problem is that um, we lost we lost a lot of lessons. So
Mm-hmm.
we I think we have a knowledge gap.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Yeah.
because all right, because okay, how many days you don't have class? It's I think three day.
Uh, about 4 days,
Mm-hmm. Yes, about four
and
days.
yesterday is um, and yesterday we have school, uh, but I think mm, is quite a a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yes, but okay. So it seems like it's not that, let's say, a formal class.
Mm, I think so.
Okay, yes. All right. Okay, so now V. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Now, do you have any questions or do you want to share more?
No, I don't.
Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So for today's lesson, V, we are going to wait. All right. Yes, we are going to have an IELTS lesson. Okay. So this lesson V
Yeah.
has this lesson has three parts. The part one is about the introduction and an interview. The second part will be the individual long term. This time you're going to share your ideas, okay, your opinions, and okay, you need to arrange your ideas according to their importance, from the least to the uh to the most, or from the most to the least. Okay? And let's have the part 3, the two-way discussion. So, yes. All right. So here are the helpful hints for the IELTS speaking test. So, all right, you have to talk as much as you can and talk. I know that you're fluent, okay? I think and I know that you are very confident. So here you need to okay, if you have any if you are hesitate about something, you can ask clarification if necessary and express your opinions, and this time you will be assessed on your ability to communicate. Okay? Yes. So,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So, let's start. Oh, by the way, okay, the total time for this IELTS speaking is only 14, or let's say 15 minutes. Okay? So, here
Yeah.
each part there is let's say equivalent time, or there is a specific time to be consumed. So for the part one, you just have to you just have 4 to 5 minutes
Yes.
for this part. Okay. And part two, you have 3 to 4 minutes. That's it is already included the preparation time. And here the
Mm,
part three, you are given 4 to 5 minutes to answer all the questions. Okay.
yes.
And okay, so let's just make this uh 5 minutes each. Okay. Yeah. So
Mm,
okay. So the preparation time V is just only 1 minute. Okay, so
yeah.
if you have papers there, you can jot down the important keywords that you'll be using in uh in your in arranging your ideas. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, do you have it already?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so for it this time we are going to talk about the simple life. Okay? Yes.
Yeah.
So here V. Let me see the time. Yes, it's 8:10. So I think it's quite basic for you. Okay, because this is just an introduction. So do I all right, I think we need to. What is your
Yeah.
favorite color, V?
My favorite color is blue. Um, but people often said that blue is referred to sadness or something like that, but I don't think so because when I see blue things, I feel peaceful inside,
Mm-hmm.
and especially I like to um, I like to I, I I like to look at the blue sea,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
um, and I love the marine life, and yeah, and that's and and I think blue is a beautiful color.
Yes.
Yeah, uh,
Okay.
in our life.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you give me examples of things that you like that comes to that color?
Yeah, as I have mentioned, the thing,
Yes.
yeah, subcon in this color is mm, the marine life, like
Um,
uh, the sky, the blue sea, and that's why I
mm-hmm.
love
Mm-hmm.
blue.
Yes, thank you so much. I forgot that that you mentioned the the blue ocean.
Yes,
Okay, the blue
yes,
sea. Yes. Now let's
yes.
have number two. Have you tried doing something for no good reason? Okay, have you tried doing something for no good reason?
I didn't get that question.
Okay,
Can
for
you explain this for
yes.
me?
Okay. So when we say something that you do for no good reason, just like it's just for fun. Okay, now you just do the thing because you just like it, but there's no purpose, but there's no goal why you do it. Mm-hmm. For example, when
Um,
I yes, for example, when I feel bored, I just wipe my laptop, and that's something that I do for no good reason, even if it's not that dusty.
uh, I think that when I try to is for no good reason is make someone laugh. Um,
Okay.
I often took a joke to make my friend laugh, or for not any reason, but
Mm-hmm.
I I love seeing people smile. Mm,
Mm-hmm.
it makes me it makes it's almost makes my day, and I want people to always mm, uh, I want people to always keep a positive attitude.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, and that's good. All right, so here, V. Okay. So the time is already 8:15. Okay. It's the
Mm,
exact. Okay. Now here, let's go the individual long turn. So here, V, you are given 1 minute to prepare and use this time to organize your points. So as what I've said that you have to arrange your ideas according to their importance. Okay? Yes. So here, so this is the topic that you're going to answer. Describe what you think a simple life should be. So you should discuss what's your definition of simple life, or what your definition of a simple life is. Okay, whether or not you would consider living this kind of life. You have to discuss also the advantages and disadvantages of living a simple life, and which kind of life is better to follow, a simple or a complex one. So for this time, I will give you 2 minutes to prepare. Okay, is that okay? Yes. All right, so here the time is 8:16, so by 8:18 we will start. Okay.
mm,
Okay, so I'll just turn off my camera so you can focus.
yeah.
All right, so time's up. Okay, let's start. Okay.
And for me, the definition of a simple life is having enough, not too much. I uh, c- for example, we just eating healthy food, wearing comfortable clothes, and living a cozy house instead of luxury ones.
Mm-hmm.
And and in my opinion, I would consider living this kind of life because when uh you focus on this life, you spend less time comparing yourself with others, and you have more time to enjoy little things
Mm-hmm.
such as reading book or mm, playing piano and
Okay.
spending time with family or walking in nature. And so there's a lot of advantages of living a simple life. First, you will have you will have more time to enjoy your happy life,
Mm-hmm.
and it will relieve stress mm, and makes your mind more peaceful.
Okay.
And uh, but is besides that is also uh, there's there are also disadvantages of living this simple life, because when you live too simple, you will stop you will lose the ambition and stop chasing your dream,
Mm-hmm.
and and you and you and maybe you lack of excitement because your life's so peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I think the simple life is better to follow com when you compare with complex one. Because it as I mentioned, simple life is not about having less, but about enjoying your life more.
Yes. Okay. So that means being contented of what we have.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Avi. Now here. Okay. So let's go to the part three. Okay. In this
Yes.
part, let's have the two-way discussion. So let's discuss simplicity in lifestyle. Okay. So you are given three questions here. Let's start with question number one. Do you think that the people of the world are living beyond what they can afford?
Uh, yes, I think nowadays people are living beyond what they can afford. Mm, as I uh, as I often watch news in TV, and I think nowadays many young people follow a consumer lifestyle, spending money more on fashion and technology, and and that lifestyle may still lead to overconsumption and
Mm-hmm.
waste. So it's affect directly on our earth.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's right. Okay. Now let's have question number two. What are the possible effects of an overly extravagant lifestyle? Okay. You have overly extravagant lifestyle.
Uh, in my view, the an overly extravagant lifestyle mm, may relieve stress without too many rules or restrictions. People feel free to do
Mm-hmm.
anything they like and fulfill their demand.
Mm-hmm.
And And also, an extravagant lifestyle will give them a lot of excitement, and they can fully enjoy their youth
Mm-hmm.
without regret re, re, regress when they get older.
Yes. Okay. All right. That's okay. I really like your idea. Okay. It's okay. All right. I forgot the word. Um. Oh, I'm sorry. I really forgot the word. Yes, I was just going to tell you later if I remember. Yes. So
Yes.
here, let's go to question number three, V. How come people relate simplicity to poverty? Do you think this correlation is true?
Sorry, but I don't know their correlations is mean.
Okay, correlation is like how they are relevant to each other. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay, simplicity and poverty. Being simple is let's say, or it's let's say being simple is poor.
Uh, yes,
Mhm.
it's a hard question.
Okay, so I will just give you, we still have 5 minutes before our class ends, so maybe I'll give you 2 minutes, okay, to think your ideas. You can jot down the important keywords, okay?
Yes.
Yes. So here, allow me to turn off the camera so you can focus.
Yes. Teacher, I'm ready.
Yes, so let's start.
Uh, People often relate simplicity to poverty because both lifestyle make look quite similar on the surface. For
Mhm.
example, in both cases, people live in small house, have own fewer possessions, and spend less money. And also m- many culture relate success to uh, many culture measure success many cultural success was measured by luxury material
Mhm.
possessions,
Yes.
uh, uh, and luxury possessions and big house or so on. But I think this correlation is false because, in my view, poverty forces people live live with limited resource,
Mm.
while simplicity is a choice to live with only what is necessary.
Yes, that's right. Okay, very well said. And that's all?
Yes.
Yes, wow. I really like your ideas, the structure of your ideas. It was really smooth. Okay, so just to give you a short feedback, V, that you demonstrate an excellent grammar and pronunciation, which makes your ideas uh more clear and engaging. Okay. Yeah, so your ability to answer the questions, you directly, or you get the point that I'm really looking for. Yes, and you have a strong comprehension yes, as what I've said, you have a strong comprehension skills and smooth flow of ideas. Okay. Yes, and yes, congratulations. You really did a great job in our first IELTS class.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any questions? All right, so okay, so how do you find our first IELTS class?
I feel a little bit worried at first, but
Mm-hmm.
I have studied with you for a long time, so it doesn't matter. I feel very comfortable to talk with you.
Yes.
So mm,
Okay. Okay. So I do. Okay, I do the same. Yes. So now, V, since the time is already over, okay, so
yes,
by the next class, we will have another topic. Okay. Yes.
yes.
And that's all for today. Thank you so much. And goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yes. Thank you so much, V.